Okay, I wanted to make a quick video because I had a hard time finding how to reset the oil life indicator and the service interval on my 2023 Kia Carnival. So there's a couple things that you have to do. I don't have the fancy infotainment um, screen over here, which is all the videos I kept finding was that's what it was showing you. So I'm going to show you what I figured out. The first thing you got to do is you got to press this engine start button twice, and when you press it once, it'll take you to accessory mode. When you take it twice, it takes you to this system check, and it's basically like having the key on but without having it started. And then you want to click this button right here, this pages button. And when you click that pages button, it's going to take you and scroll you through these different settings. You want to go over to the gear setting, and then you want to use the button right below it and pull it down until you get down to convenience. And then you push this button in, and it'll take you into the convenience. Now, there's some other things that you can reset in there, but if you scroll down again using that same button I showed you before, you can get down to the oil change reminder and the service interval. Now, the oil change reminder is just telling you how much is left. Now, I literally just reset this, so that's why mine says remaining 100%, but I just changed the oil here just a little bit ago. But if you click reset, and you press that button once and it asks you, would you like to reset it? You hit yes again. Now your oil life has been reset. So it should show 100% now. If we go into convenience, scroll down to oil change reminder, it does say 100%. Now if I go back, if I go to this service interval, if I click that, it shows me how much is left. It's 2,350 miles, 177 days. I don't go the full interval to change my oil. I'm changing my oil every 5,000 miles. But if you went and hold this button in, press it in and hold it. Now, supposedly, if you hold it for 10 seconds, it should reset. And it says reset time and distance. So now it's going to ask you yes or no. Now, if you press this button right here again, you click yes, and now it is reset for 8,000 miles and 365 days. So I hope you found this video helpful. It hopefully will save you a lot of digging and looking, because I had a heck of a time finding how to do this. So